The Hunter Biden plea deal appears to be off. The judge hearing the case has raised concerns about the still ongoing investigation. The parties are still discussing next steps to see if an agreement can be salvaged. Skylar Henry brings us the latest.
Hunter Biden arrived at a federal courthouse in Delaware, hoping to end a 5-year criminal investigation, but those hopes were dashed by the judge. The president's son had been planning to plead guilty to 2 misdemeanor counts of willful failure to pay federal income tax. Under the deal, a 3rd charge of possession of a handgun by a drug user will be dismissed if Hunter Biden remains drug-free and commits no additional crimes for 2 years. That deal fell apart when Judge Mariella Noreika raised concerns about the agreement while an investigation is still ongoing. Hunter Biden said he would not plead guilty if he faced future charges.
Judges have wide discretion in how they handle these plea agreements. In some cases, they could accept it full on. In other cases, they could make changes. And in yet other cases, they could just reject it out of hand.
In an unusual step, the Republican chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee wrote to the judge asking her to hold off on agreeing to the deal in order to consider the testimony of IRS whistleblowers who claimed their probe was blocked and the evidence supports felony tax charges. Republicans say they want to hear directly from the prosecutor who recommended the plea deal. They're calling for him to testify before Congress.
We've got this weird lack of clarity as to whether the Delaware U.S. attorney was able to pursue the investigation fully, whether he did fully.
U.S. Attorney David Weiss, a Trump appointee, says he is willing to testify. Weiss has also told Congress in writing that he had the ultimate authority on the case. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Wilmington, Delaware.